regulations prohibiting it. However, you can download the link on our website to receive the digital version of it, or request a copy from one of us on board. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant flight as we enjoy the freedom of African skies. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Embraer. With me in the cabin is my colleague Lindy. And should you require any assistance during the flight, please do not hesitate to ask. Please be reminded that this is a non-smoking flight and our toilets are monitored by smoke detectors. Consuming your own alcohol is strictly forbidden on all AIRLINK flights. For your own safety and the safety of those on the aircraft, we always require all our passengers to wear a face mask. Ensure that your mask covers your nose and mouth. We are understanding that the mask will only be removed while actively eating and drinking. Our in-flight service offer this morning will start off with a full bar service consisting of soft drinks, fruit juice, water, beer and wine. This will be followed by a meal service. We'll have a choice between chicken with pasta or beef with quinoa. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Jose Kotako International Airport in Windhoek. Remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop. The seatbelt signs have been switched off and a flight attendant has indicated to you that you may stand up. To prevent the loss of personal belongings, we urge you to make a thorough check of your seat area to ensure that you have everything with you before you leave. Use caution when opening the overhead bins to prevent injury from items that may fall up. And please be patient while we offload your sky-checked hand luggage.